Okay, so their role is basically to improve what they call the accuracy itself, right? The accuracy of the database, so that the transaction can be done in a good way and without any defects. Okay, so at the moment they have to do 100% audit checks. Okay? That means every transaction or every update that's been done by you, Mr. A, has to be checked by another guy, which is very time consuming and very resourceful training, right? So the goal is to reduce the audit check rate from 100% to a certain level, and still able to get the good transactions or good output from their solution. Okay, so they started with looking at the what type of errors they encounter in each transaction. Okay, this is one of the tool a very basic tool we use in Six Sigma. We call it a Pareto chart. Basically, it's a 80-20 rule. So we look at which one is the most happening errors in the transaction. Okay, and they will only focus on the very few, like for example, like this field here, right? So remember that Six Sigma is not about solving the world hunger. Okay, we need to solve the problem stage by stage. It's not trying to solve everything in one project, which is going to be like impossible. Yeah? So you need to scope the project really well and reasonable between 3 to 4 months. Okay, and you will get the return in a faster manner. Right? You will complete the one project, you get to the next project, and next project. Okay, so scoping is the key issue as well. So this guy agreed to work on the only few errors, the very first few errors, about 5, and collect the data in terms of defect rate.